Boy, we in a fight now, right now. Devil gunning for my life now. Cannon on me, I blame it on he pipe down. When I was down, you was bad, don't hide now. You swung first now.
We out here next to Big 5. Next to Big 5. About to install this, man. Hey, man, going back to the roots, man. Over here installing freaking lips. Hey, look at my boy's car, though. Woo!
Don't get too close.
That front lips, nice, man. How much?
About 350.
Woo! See, I thought about going. I saw one for like 600. Really nice, carbon fiber. The glass black would have been, would have been cheaper. Would have been cheaper, but I'm trying to go carbon fiber, everything.
So where you usually jack your car up on?
Yep, we getting started up right now. So I assume every car normally has a support right underneath the engine.
In the center, right?
Right in the center. And it looks like with I got some moldings that's hard to see. We're gonna do this off camera. All right. Car is jacked up, ready to go. We're ready to line this up. We know exactly how this is gonna work. Showtime.
2 hours later.
Nah, we got it.
Or like the vibration.
We got it, man. So we're gonna lower it.
So
It took forever.
Maybe down
Even
the
my
line.
wife came out here.
Down the line we can get one more, but
Yeah, we'll get some longer screws later on. But for now, I think this is gonna hold just fine. Plus, my car's not hella low.
You know what? Hold on. Because we have more material now to fight into, I think we can get a screw right in here.
You want to try it?
Yeah,
Alright.
because
We'll do some. We'll do some homie touches. But man, it's a 3-people job right here. So these were the instructions. These are terrible. All right. First thing you would do though is actually put this together. These two. Actually, you put this one together right here, and then you go from there. We didn't use the blockers at all. We just used the screws. We lined it up easily, and then we didn't put it exactly because every car is different. But basically, you figure out how you want your car to look, and then you go from there. It's the following day, and tell me that doesn't look so sick, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks so good, man. So let me show y'all exactly what we did. So first things first, you had to line up the first one right here. That's the first one. Line it up with the album. And what we ended up doing is we put 2 support bolts, or one actually, right through the longest bolts, the screw that came with the the actual parts, and we put it right in to hold it up. And once we got this one in, then we were able to adjust, and that's what we were trying to do, is trying to figure out how we want the actual the fender part of this to look. And we lined it up exactly the way we saw it on the thumbnail, on eBay, where you buy the part. So I'll post that so you guys can see exactly what we tried to do. We used up basically all the screws are in there to hold this in place. This is not going anywhere. But look how good it came out. This is a 2-people job. To hold this up, I actually put 2 screws in the back right here. I didn't put it anywhere else. I can probably do another screw, but right now it's holding. It ain't going nowhere. And man, it just looks phenomenal with the carbon fiber trim right there on the bumper. Oh man, it looks great. Anyways, we're on to the next project. My other carbon fiber trims for the rears are coming on. I believe they're coming today. Stay tuned for the next video, y'all. Peace.
Creating me a pure heart. Creating me a pure